Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Instagram. And let's say we're posting a story that we want. So we're going to go ahead and pick a picture or video that you like to post, for example, like this one. And then you can do all the edits and stuff and then post it to your story. And it's going to take a few seconds for it to post. So it's going to be uploading. So wait till it finishes uploading. Now, once it's been uploaded, you'll see an icon that says WhatsApp. And all you do is simply tap on it and it'll bring up and open up WhatsApp on your phone. And here is the status. And all you need to do in order to post it is simply click on that arrow right here and then click on send. And it's going to go ahead and post it to your WhatsApp app. And you can go ahead and see it on your WhatsApp status. So you can see your update. And I just posted right here on my WhatsApp status. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for Instagram and WhatsApp. We'll see you guys next time.